everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free rewards in Mortal Kombat. Earning free rewards in Mortal Kombat is a great way to unlock characters, skins, gear and in-game currency without spending real money. First of all, launch open the Mortal Kombat game on your device, and then once you're inside the main lobby screen or the home page, go ahead and find the free rewards button at the top of the screen. From the free rewards tab, you will be able to see different reward earning options. If you tap on earn free inspect button, then you will come across this page where you can watch ads every day to earn free rewards. Simply tap on one of the options over here that has been unlocked, and then go ahead and tap on the watch ad button at the bottom if available. You might not see this watch ad option available all the time, but you can do this every day to earn free rewards. Whenever this button is unlocked, visit this page and then tap on watch ads, and you'll be able to see a short ad, and you can also unlock rewards by watching the ad. Another way to earn free reward is to go ahead and complete the offers on the right hand corner. Simply tap on complete offer button, and on the next page go through the information. You can then try out popular games from this tab, and then once you progress through them, you'll be able to earn rewards. Make sure to complete daily and weekly challenges in the game, and completing them grants bonus currencies and items. Logging in daily to the games help you collect rewards faster. So that is how you will be able to earn free rewards in Mortal Kombat. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.